Hello everyone, welcome to ChamiViews. This is our 31st video of GoLang series. In the previous video, we have discussed about the select, right? When we are learning about the Go related concurrency, the select statement is very important. Hope you have watched that video. If you haven't watched that one, please go to my previous video and watch that, right? Today's topic is the timeouts, right? Timeouts are very important. I will use the previous example to teach you regarding the timeout, right? Okay, in here we have a channel, right? Assume that to do this operation, it will take around I will say it will take 2 seconds, right? 2 seconds. It will take 2 seconds to do this operation, right? And then I will comment out these two. This channel also I will comment out. Okay, after that I want to get this value, right? How we can get this value? Using the select we can get, right? I will say why we use select instead of using the direct operation like this, right? We can get the values in this way, right? Simply we can get value like in this way, right? But I will say you why I used the select here. I will use the select to use the timeout, right? Okay. In here case, I will get the response to the variable called res and C1 channel content, right? And then I will print that one fmt dot println response, right? Response. Timeouts are important for programs that connect to external resources or that otherwise need to bound execution time, right? In here I can check, assume that in here we exactly know it will take 2 seconds, but if we are called to the external function like I discussed in the previous, we didn't know actually how much time it will take to execute this one, right? To avoid that, we can say other case, right? We can say time dot after, right? After one second, right? I'll say fmt dot println timeout, right? In here what I did, initially assume that I didn't know how much time it will take, right? But I want to get the result within the 1 second, right? That's why the reason I have put this case statement, right? In here it says that after 1 second I want to print a timeout. I didn't want to get this response, right? What is the output now? It's a timeout, right? Because this function will take 2 seconds to execute their task, right? but in here I don't want to wait that much of time, right? I will wait 1 second and after that print the time, right? Okay, I will create another channel called C2, right? C2, and then there is another external function that will take 2 seconds to do their task, and after receiving I will check that one. I will get the C2 value. In here I will say to this case, right, do the timeout after 3 seconds, right? In this case it will take 2 seconds to do their task, right? We already know that one. And then pass channel 2 value as 2, right? What is the output now? In here initially it will time out because in the channel 2 value will not receive within that 1 second, but in here in the second function I did the timeout after 3 seconds, right? But fortunately I will receive the response within the 2 seconds and then it will print the response, right? If I didn't get that response within the 3 seconds, it will print this one, right? Assume that it will take around 5 seconds, then both the calls are timeout, right? In here total execution time is now 4 seconds because it will wait until 3 seconds, right? And also in here also it will wait 1 second, total 4 seconds, right? Because that's the reason it will get the total around 4 seconds of execution time, right? This timeout are very important, right? Because when we are using the Go to connect with the external parties, right? Then we didn't know actually how much time it will take to do their task, right? But our program can't wait until they are receiving the they are sending values to the our program, right? We can stay some time, right? Like in this way, in here I can stay around 3 seconds to receive that response, right? Greater than 3 seconds I can't wait. That's why the reason I put the timeout here, right? Hope you have get a clear understanding about the timeout, right? These things are very important, right? Hope you have learned new things from this video, right? If you have learned new things, please subscribe to the channel, please share these things with your friends. We will meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye.